So the most lacking thing I've noticed in the past couple of months is that people don't really use 3D printing as they should. What do I mean? Here I am with the largest print farm in the Mediterranean. We basically help companies adopt 3D printing. We show them the process. We teach them how to design for 3D printing, because that is its own skill. And when they're ready, we help them optimize their product, their production line, jigs and fixtures, design thinking. Basically, we make them a bit more lean, a bit more agile in how they apply this to their whole process. It's a holistic approach. We don't just do, hey, rapid prototype with us, we can do reverse engineering. No, this is a full adoption of the process. So, yeah, we're growing. We're looking for customers specifically in the manufacturing industry who want to adopt 3D printing a bit better. This is what speeds up a physical production line. 3D printed jigs, 3D printed fixtures, 3D printed spare parts for your machinery, 3D printed products, 1,000, 10,000, 20,000 pieces 3D printed. So, yeah, if that sounds like you, send me a message. The last company we dealt with, we saved them 70% of their tooling costs, which is pretty good. More cool stuff.